Good afternoon, everyone. We'll begin the day with a prayer. I want each and every child to keep hands on the lap, close your eyes, and get ready for the prayer. Dear God, we praise and thank you for this beautiful day. We offer this day to you so that you are every time ready to help us if we face any problem. Keep your loving hand on each one of us. We ask this prayer for your love's sake. Amen. Now all will say the universal prayer. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom comes, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Now, my dear students, what we will do now, I'll share my screen with you, showing you what new topic we have to study today. Every child is able to see the screen, which I have shared with you. Okay. Nobody will raise their hand, beta. I have to give chance to all the girls. Now, the topic which we will start today is movement in animals. Bani Kaur, why video is off? All have to sit straight now. Movement in animals. Arshdeep, unmute yourself. Arshdeep, unmute beta faster. Okay, just give me a second. Bhumika Saval, unmute yourself. Okay. Chahat Bhatti, unmute yourself. Faster beta, fast. Chahat Bhatti, have you done? I'm giving you permission to do. Once again, I've given you permission. Faster. Okay. Ashley, I have seen your notebook. Very good. Neatly, you have done the work. Very good. Now keep your notebook sideways. Ashley. Now, the first participant, please say your name, whom I've unmuted.
Ma'am Arshdeep.
Say your name, beta, loudly.
Ma'am, my name is Arshdeep.
Arshdeep. Okay, beta, fine. Are you able to see the first topic given there on the screen, first point?
Yes, ma'am.
The topic which we have to start today is movement in animals. What is the name of the topic which we have to start? Movement in
Movements
animals.
in animals.
Yes. So please read the first sentence.
Movements of climbs.
Limbs. Limbs means your legs, your arms. These are known as limbs.
Okay, ma'am. Movements of limbs.
Speak loudly, beta. Keep your mouth in front of the speaker. Say.
Ma'am, movements of limbs. Ma'am, movements of limbs, appendage, head,
Appendages.
and trunk. Head. Ma'am, what is the meaning of appendages?
I will tell you, but you read, then I will explain. Appendages, then read the next word, then I will explain.
Head and
Trunk.
head and trunk. Trunk help to maintain.
Equilibrium.
Ma'am,
Equilibrium
equilibrium.
of the body.
Equilibrium of the body.
Now listen what it means. Movement of limbs means when we are moving our arms, legs, they are known as limbs. After that, it is written appendages. Appendages means segments. You have seen earthworm. On the body of the earthworm, lines
Yes,
are there.
ma'am.
Different segments
Yes,
are there.
ma'am.
Head, you know. Trunk. Trunk
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
down part of the animals.
Yes,
Help
ma'am.
you. You have seen the trunk of in one animal. Which is the trunk?
Yes.
Elephant is having the trunk, na? So it helps
Yes,
to
ma'am.
maintain equilibrium of the body. It helps to maintain the balance of the body. What is equilibrium? Balance.
Balance.
Yes, good. Okay, I have unmuted one more girl. Bhumika Saval, you have muted yourself. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Read the second point.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the second point, beta.
In many animals, limbs and appendages also carry out locomotion.
Locomotion means moving from one place to another. When they are appendages,
Okay,
segments,
ma'am.
and they are having the legs, so it helps them to move, to go from one place to another. Okay,
Okay,
fine.
ma'am.
Thank you,
Bhagini,
ma'am.
unmute yourself. I'm giving you permission, girls. You people are not doing what to do now. Just give me 1 second. Okay. Insha Chaudhary, your mute unmute is not coming, but again now it's come. Unmute yourself, Insha. I've given you permission. Insha, okay. Read the third point given there.
Movement in limbs, tongue, jaw, sonnet,
Snout,
appendages,
snout.
and tentacles,
Enable.
enable different animals to capture their food and
Okay, wait. Movement of limbs means moving hands and legs. Tongue, everybody knows. Jaw, you know. Inside the teeth, when the teeth are joined together, kept together. Snout. Snout is the opening, mouth when they open. Appendages are the segments. And tentacles. Tentacles are the hair-like structures in the body of the animals which help them to move. So what they do with all these things? Enable different animals to capture their food. Means they have to capture, to take their food, they have to move from one place to another. So they need all these parts to move from one place to another. Manavi, unmute yourself. I said nobody will raise their hand again. You're raising your hand, beta. Yes, Manavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Point, beta.
Ma'am, third point.
Fourth one.
Movements of eyeballs help to see the object. However, movements of the pinna of the pinna of the ear enable the animal to collect sound vibration.
Now what is, wait, movement of eyeballs. Everybody knows eyeballs. When you're having your, inside your eyes, the balls are there with the help of which you are able to see. Help to see the objects. Everybody knows the particular color we are having of the eyeballs. However, movement of the pinna. Pinna is the outer covering of your ear. So it enables the animal to collect sound vibration. You know, if anybody, you are having a pet at home, like dog, and if somebody knocks, so that pet is able to hear that vibration and give us the alarm that somebody is there outside. Okay, we have done now, we have started a new topic, movement in animals, in which I have shown you different movements of animals. Then we have done what is the work of these animals. Then which are their particular parts which enable them to capture their food. That also we have done. Then the movement of eyeballs and the movement of pinna in the ear, which plays very important role in the animals. Okay, fine. I will stop sharing my screen with you. Now we will revise the topic. So I want each and every child to be ready so that I'll share my whiteboard with you now. Every child is able to see the whiteboard. Yes. I will write one blank and I will unmute the participant. Yes, Samvedna, I am able to see your raised hand. So please wait. I know every child want to give the answer. So I gave you chance previously also. So wait, have patience, beta. Wait. I am writing now. Just give me a second. Leaf. Leaf is CONS. 1 minute. Yes. Disturbance should not be there. All mute yourself. Consider as a, who is speaking? Leaf is considered as a dash FACTORY. Okay, now 1 minute. Give me 1 second. Okay. Just 1 minute. Gunika Baloria, unmute yourself. Gunika Baloria, unmute yourself. Faster, bache, faster. Okay, fine. Gunika, are you able to see the blank on, fill in one sentence on the whiteboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Speak loudly, beta, speak loudly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please read the sentence.
Leaf is considered as a dash factory.
Yes. What we consider leaf? Leaf is considered as a dash factory. What type of factory? What leaves are there? Disturbance should not be there. Yes, beta. Say.
Ma'am, food.
Yes, leaf is considered as a food factory. Very good. Okay, Kashvi Singh, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Jevish, unmute yourself. Faster, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kainat Anil, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Karen Gill, unmute yourself. All will get the chance. Don't take tension, girls. Tomorrow also I am having class, so don't take tension. All will get the chance. Navanya, unmute yourself. Navanya, unmute yourself. Faster. Okay. Now I will write the next sentence here.
Okay, ma'am.
Just 1 minute. Dash is a SIN. Girls, please all don't talk in between. Undivided, DIVIDED. Dash is a single undivided lamina, LAMINA. Okay. Who is the first participant whom I have unmuted? Please say your name. Say, beta, say your name faster.
Ma'am, Jivesh.
Okay, Jevish. Bache, say, read the sentence first. Dash is a
Dash is a single undivided
lamina. Lamina.
lamina.
Now, do you know what is lamina? What is lamina? Do you know, bache? Say yes or no.
No, ma'am.
Okay. When the diagram of the leaf is there in the book, na, and when you see
Yes,
line,
ma'am.
okay.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Okay, wait a minute. Now, are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, lamina is when the lines are there in the leaf, na, that is known as lamina. So, dash is a single undivided lamina.
Simple leaf.
Okay. What it is? Single. What it is?
Single leaf.
Yes, single leaf is a single
Single
undivided
leaf.
stamina. Okay, fine. Now I'm writing. Next. 1 minute. MINT. Mint is a Bache, disturbance should not be there. I want every child to listen. Mint is a dash. Now you have done herbs, shrubs, trees. So next participant, please say your name. After Jevish, who is the other participant? Say faster, beta. Say your name.
Ma'am, Kashvi Singh. Ma'am, I.
ठीक है. Read the sentence given there, beta. Read.
Mint is a dash.
Yes. What is mint? Mint is a
Ma'am,
what it is?
in Hindi we say pudina.
अच्छा, mint तो पुदीना, okay. But what it is? Herb, shrub, tree. What it
Ma'am,
is?
herb.
Yes.
Herb.
Herb. Can you give me the spelling? Can you tell me the spelling?
HURB.
HERB.
Oh yes, ma'am. HERB.
कोई बात नहीं, no problem. HE 1 minute. HERB.
B.
Fine. Okay, we'll go further now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Just give me a second. I will write here now. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Dash is the male REPRODUCTIVE. Dash is the male reproductive part of a FLOWER. Okay, next participant, please read.
Ma'am, Kainatan will.
Okay, Kainat, read bache. Dash, read the sentence.
Yes, ma'am. Dash is the male reproductive part of a flower.
Yes, we have done the flower part. We have done male and female part. Can you give me the name? What is the name of the male part of the flower?
Stamen.
Bolo beta, somebody is telling you. Say faster.
Ma'am, I know spelling.
Say the spelling.
ANDRROCCIUM.
You are saying androecium. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
you are saying androecium. So it is male part. I will write the spelling here now. Okay, just give me 1 second. 1 minute. Okay. ANDROECIUM. Androecium. Okay, who is the next participant?
Ma'am, Karen Gill.
Karen Gill. Please read the spelling of this androecium.
Ma'am, she is muted.
Huh? Muted.
Ma'am, she is muted.
Why they are doing this, bache? Okay, any other participant is there who is unmuted? Okay, Navanya, unmute yourself. Navanya, unmute yourself faster. Pujnik, unmute yourself. Pujnik, unmute yourself. So lazy people, na. I don't know why they are not doing. Rujina Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Pujnik, faster, बच्चे जल्दी करना है ना. Read the spelling on the screen. Androecium spelling.
ANDROCIUM.
CIUM. Androecium. Can you give me another name of the male reproductive part of flower? So many names.
Ma'am, stamens.
Stamen. Oh, very good. That means you have studied. S-T-A-M-E-N. Yes, very good.
MENS.
Okay, very good. Rujla Gupta, unmute yourself. Rujla, faster, beta, faster. You have to just mute, unmute. Not doing, you people, not doing. Saman Fatima, faster.
Yes,
If you will
ma'am.
not, yes, good. Can you give me any other name? Any other name we are having of the male part? Cayman, Androtium. Any other name is there?
Ma'am, don't know.
Don't know. Okay, fine. No problem. Okay. So Androtium and stamen are the male part of the flower. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
1 minute. I'll give you one sentence.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me what it is. Dash. 1 minute. Dash is the SECOND. Second, WHORL. Whole of the FLOWER. Please read the sentence.
Dash is the second whole
Whole
of the flower.
Forming part of the
Whole
flower.
of the flower.
Yes, you have
Okay,
done the
ma'am.
part of the flowers now. What is the second part known as? We have done 4 parts.
Yes,
What is the
ma'am.
second part known as, beta?
Ma'am, Corollia. Corollia.
Corolla.
Corolla.
So the spelling.
COROLLA.
COROLLA. Okay, fine. Ridhima, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself faster. Girls are not doing. If you will not unmute yourself from the screen, how I will teach you? First tell me that. Sonia Sharma, unmute yourself. Sonia Sharma. Unmute yourself, Sonia. Sonia Sharma, I am giving you permission to unmute. Who has unmuted herself? Please say your name.
Ma'am, Sonia has leave the class.
Okay. Who is this one now, bache? What's your name?
Ma'am, Jivesh.
Okay. Okay, fine. 1 minute. Vanshika Gupta, unmute yourself. Vanshika Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vidhi Gupta, unmute yourself. Vidhi Gupta, unmute yourself. I'm giving you permission. Okay. Whom I have unmuted, please say your name.
Ma'am, Vanshika.
Vanshika, can you give me the other second whole of the flower? We have written Corolla. One more name is there. Can you give me another name? Other name of the Corolla, and when you see the beautiful color of the flower, one particular name is there. Okay, wait. Unica Valoria, unmute yourself. Unica. Unmute yourself, bache. I've given you permission. You have to do it faster. Within a second it is. It's so easy to unmute. Okay. Udita Mahajan, unmute yourself. Udita.
Ma'am, Ma'am, petals.
Petals.
Yes, ma'am.
Call it petals.
Petals.
Okay. I will write the spelling. Petals. Petals. Say the spelling, Udita.
PETALS.
Okay, petals. Petal is the color of the flower. Beautiful color of the flower is with the petals.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And disturbance should not be there.
Ma'am.
Okay, Shreya. Once Shreya is there, unmute yourself, Shreya. Unmute Shreya yourself. Unmute. Faster, faster. Others, please mute yourself. I'm giving permission to Shreya, and Shreya is not unmuting herself. Okay, those who are not unmuting, na bache, I'm keeping your names. Record I have kept. Okay. 1 minute. I'm unmuting all. I'm muting all. Somebody's papa is speaking and the voice disturbance is there. I muted all. Just give me a second. Okay. Tanya Chaudhary, unmute yourself. Tanya, unmute yourself. I have given you permission. Faster. If you people
Yes,
will.
ma'am.
Okay, bache, faster you have to do it is on your screen only, na? Okay, Tanya Chaudhary, wait a minute. Advita, unmute yourself. Unmute, beta. Faster. Okay, okay. Disturbance should not be there, bache. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. I'm writing the next sentence. The FLOWER. The flower is BORN born on STALK stalk called okay. Tanya Chaudhary, please read this. The sentence is given there on the screen.
The flower is born on stalk called dash.
Dash. So when flower is born, is a particular stalk, long structure, the green structure. What is the name of that structure?
Ma'am, thalamus.
What it is called?
Ma'am, thalamus.
सबसे पहला पार्ट कौन सा होता है बेटा? First part is the pedicel. What is the first part?
Ma'am, pedicel.
हाँ, पहले first part
Ma'am,
is
pedicel.
okay. PEDICEL, pedicel. And after pedicel is the swollen part known as thalamus. Okay.
Thalamus.
Radhya, you are unmuted.
Yes, ma'am.
Got the chance?
No, ma'am.
Okay, bache. 1 minute. I will clear the whiteboard. Okay, just give me a second. 1 minute. I will write one question here. NAME. Name the DIFFERENT different PARTS parts of FLOWER. Read the question.
Name the different parts of flower.
Yes. Can you name the different parts of flower?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, beta.
Ma'am, pistil.
First part कौन सा आएगा बेटा? सबसे पहले when we are holding the flower, what is the first part?
Pedicel.
Yes. Well, let me write. PEDICEL. Okay. Second part.
Thalamus.
Yes. THALAMUS. Thalamus. Third part.
Then sepal.
Good.
Sepal.
Very good. 1 minute. SEPAL. Sepal. Wait, beta, wait. You know, I know. Advita, unmute yourself. Advita, unmute yourself. Say the next part, beta. Pedicel, thalamus, sepal. Which are the other parts of flower? Say, बच्चे. Say. Why so much loud sound is coming from your side, Advita? Sonia Sharma, unmute yourself. You have again joined the class. Faster. Unmute, बच्चे, fast. From your screen only you have to unmute. Do it faster. Anya Sharma, you unmute yourself, beta. Anya Sharma. Nobody will raise their hand, bache. I am giving chance to all the girls to speak, so don't raise your hand. Anya, you are unmuted, beta. Say yes or no.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
My voice is not coming, bete. Now, coming. Now it is coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now, different parts of the flower on the screen. Pedicel, thalamus, sepal. Can you give me other part? What after sepal? What is there?
Ma'am, pistil.
Petals. P-E-T. 1 minute. A-L-S. Petals. Yes. After petals. Yes, Pavni. Unmute yourself. Pavni. Unmute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Other part of the flower, beta. Hey, बच्चे. Which is the other part of the flower? Stamen. I'm writing it here now. Stamen. S-T-A-M-E-N. Stamen. Yes, Jessica. Jessica, unmute yourself. Faster, bachche. So much of time you people are taking. To just unmute yourself. Are you there, Jessica? Okay. Bani Kaur, unmute yourself. Bani, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Other part of the flower, pedicel, thalamus, sepal, petal, stamen. What is the next part of the flower? Say faster, bachche. E-A-R-P-E-L. Carpel. Say now that part. Carpel. Yes, Parinika. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have written pedicel, thalamus, sepal. Can you give me the other name of the sepal?
Ma'am, calvi,
हाँ बोलो बच्चे बोलो से calyx.
calyx.
Yes. Say, do you know the spelling?
Yes, ma'am.
Spelling C
Calyx.
Y X. Very good.
X.
Okay, fine. Okay. Akshara, unmute yourself. Akshara, unmute yourself. Faster, बच्चे. Faster. Within a second, it should be.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Panika.
Ma'am, I want to ask that, ma'am, in the answer the following questions in detail.
Yes.
Ma'am, question number 5th, ma'am, explain with the diagram, ma'am. Where is the diagram?
I will send
which
it.
page?
Don't take tension. I know the diagram is there. I have not sent it. I'll send you today. I have seen in the answer. What are the various parts of fruit? Explain with the diagram. है ना? That question you are saying?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll send beta. Don't take tension. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Fine. Thank you, beta. Gungun, you have unmuted yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you give me the other name of petals? What is the other name of petals?
Ma'am, Corolla.
Corolla. Spelling, do you know?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Please say the spelling.
Corolla.
Yes, very good. Okay. Good, Gungun. This one, Gungun. If you will learn, then only you can. One girl has written, it's time to dance. One name is there. That means you have not written your name. Please unmute yourself. Same and tell me your name. Unmute yourself faster. Who is this one? Atifa, unmute yourself. Atifa. Just
Yes,
wasting.
ma'am.
Okay, beta. Stamen, can you give me the other name of the stamen?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the other name of stamen?
Ma'am, I know the spelling.
You know the spelling. You have to pronounce it also, na beta. Say the spelling.
Androecium.
I-U-M. Androecium. Repeat after me. Androecium.
Androecium.
Yes. You have to choose. You should know the pronunciation also, na beta. You're going to higher. Now reaching the higher class. Okay. Carpal. But you know the spelling. Other name of the carpal.
Yes, ma'am.
Carpal other name.
Pistil.
P-I-S-T-I-L. Pistil. And one more name is there. Gynoecium.
Gynoecium.
Yes. 1 minute. Just give me 1 second. Okay. I will write the spelling of gynoecium. Gynoecium. Okay, Atifa, please say the spelling of gynoecium.
Ma'am, Gynoecium.
Yes. Gynoecium. Okay, fine. I'll stop sharing my screen. Whatever we have done, I will ask now whether you have understood. Okay, anybody wants to ask anything? And beta, please don't raise your hand. Whatever we have revised, have you understood? All of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tomorrow
Yes,
again
ma'am.
we will revise. So keep yourself ready with the lesson 8. Practice the objectives, all the objectives of lesson 8. Tomorrow we'll practice lesson number 8. Understood everyone?
Okay, ma'am.
I am saying tomorrow we will practice chapter number 8. Revision we will do. So go through the chapter.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Ma'am,
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Ma'am, the
Ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Hello.
Thank you, ma'am, for the class.
Excuse me, ma'am, my turn of reading has not come.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am, my turn of reading has not come. My turn.
Whose turn is not come, they will get their turn tomorrow. Tomorrow again we are having class. I will give you turn because I have given the turn to that girls who did not get chance in the previous class. Ashley has raised her hand. I have given her chance in the previous class. I have checked every name which girl has not get the chance. I have given them. Okay, beta. Atifa, I gave the chance. Bani, I tried my best to unmute. She did not unmute herself. Guneet also. Guneet did not get the chance. I know. She will get tomorrow. Guneet, you will get the chance tomorrow. Okay? Fine. Hina will also get. No problem. Previous class, Hina got the chance. Fine, all of you? Okay, Hina, want to ask anything? Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Who has come with this name? T-S-T-Y. Please unmute yourself. Sharma. T-S-T-Y and Sharma is written. Unmute yourself. Please come with your name only. Okay, beta. Bye to all. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye to all. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.